In this video, I'll show you how you can update and download the Realtek HD audio driver. Now there's two different ways that we can do that, and the first one is simply come down here and search for Device Manager. Now once you're in here, what you want to do is you want to come down here and find Sound, Video and Game Controllers, and from in here you should see your Realtek High Definition. Now from in here what you want to do is simply right click on this and update your driver. Search automatically for drivers, and you can see I already have the best one. Now another thing that you can do is you can go to Google right here, search for here Realtek audio driver, choose the first one right here, and from in here what you want to do is you want to download the one for your system. Now most people will probably be running a 64-bit, so simply find this one, press download, and it will come here. I accept, download this file. Now you want to solve this CAPTCHA right here. So let's just do that, submit, and then your download is coming. Now you want to just follow the download, the simple instructions in there. And then once you have it downloaded, you want to restart your PC and you will now have it. It's really that simple, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.